We just finished installing the wall switch, and next we want to bring this wall switch into the app. But before I show you how to do that, I want to let you know the wall switch has two main functions in a PoEWit system. The first function, which is obvious, is it gives the homeowner a physical touch point to turn the lights on or off or dim. The second function, which is less obvious, is that in the event of an internet connection disruption, the wall switch also takes over the cloud functionality. As you can see in this diagram, when the internet connection is present, everything will function normally with the cloud. However, in the event that this connection is broken, the wall switch takes over that functionality like we just discussed. Now let me show you how to add the wall switch to the app. First, you go into the PoEWit app, then we go into the lighting group that we want to add the wall switch into. In this case, we want to add it to the outdoor front lighting. So we go into that lighting group, and as you can see there are 3 tabs. The first tab shows the lights, and we already have 3 lights installed. The next tab is the wall switch tab, and we currently have no wall switches in this group. And the last tab is the motion detector tab, and we currently have 1 motion detector installed. So to bring this wall switch, we want to hit the discovery button, and it will automatically find the wall switches or any other devices that are in the same network as this app. In this case, it came back with the 1 wall switch that we physically installed. So we're going to select it and hit save. Now the app will add that wall switch into this lighting group and display a success message when it's done. We can hit close now. By default, it will display the serial number when you first bring it in. So let's go in and configure this wall switch. First, hit the edit menu, and we want to give it a name. So in this case, let's just call it Garage Wall Switch. And then we want to save it. Next, let's configure the buttons. By default, they are off. Make sure to leave them off, since we are first configuring the off state. Then I want to select the color for the top button, and in this case, for demonstration purposes, let's just go crazy and pick purple. And then for the bottom button, let's pick white. One thing I want to highlight is the black is not the black color, it just means there's no LEDs showing. But in this case, we're picking white for the bottom button. Next, we're going to configure the colors for the on state. To do that, I want to go up here and move the slider button over, and when the lights are on, I want the top button to be green and the bottom button to be blue. And that's it. You have configured your light switch. One quick tip, if I wanted to match these light switch settings on all of the other switches in this lighting group, I would select the checkbox, or if I want to roll it out to every single wall switch in the home beyond this lighting group, I would select this checkbox and it would roll it out to the entire home. When I'm done, I hit save, and that's it. We're all done. If you like our videos, don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe. See you next time.